Here's another peacock. Hello, Mr. Peacock. Bye-bye, Mr. Peacock. This house is crazy. Look, they got freaking ghosts right here next to the fence. Yeah, they have a llama back there. Next to a little pony. They got ghosts next to the fence. Yeah.
Look, what is that? Oh, a little bitty goat. And what's that? Chicken?
Yeah, I think it's for the rooster. Where?
Is that another goat or is that like the weird?
That's a goat back there, the big one?
Yeah. Is that a goat?
Yeah.
I see a goat in front of us.
No.
Oh, hey, look at there's a big orange cat right here. Look at the down,
Oh my god, look at little kitty.
Look at him, the
Look at all these little baby cows right here. Hi, we're baby cows.
Boom, 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 boom.
Hi, baby cows.
Looks like the cow from
I know. Oh, look, there's the ostrich back there. God, this place is like a petting zoo. It's back there in the cage.
Oh, is it?
Underneath, like, the awning. That's closer to it. Alright. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.